Welcome back to Learn Easy English with Lakshmipriya. Last time we had seen that conjunctions joins two words, phrases, clauses and sentences. Its type coordinating conjunction was also discussed. How to remember coordinating conjunction easily by using the acronym FANBOYS was also discussed. Today I'll be explaining two more types of conjunctions apart from coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Let's understand subordinating conjunctions. As the name suggests, subordinating conjunction comprises of a subordinate or dependent clause. So subordinating conjunctions are used to join a subordinate clause to the main clause. Let's see this example. The main clause here is Ram went swimming. Dependent clause or subordinate clause is it was raining. So the subordinate conjunction although is used to join these two clauses. Let's read it. Ram went swimming although it was raining. The main subordinating conjunctions are when, because, if, though, although, till, until, unless, while, etc. Two sentences may be joined by using any one of these subordinating conjunctions. Let's see some more example to understand. He failed in the examination. He did not work hard. He failed in the examination because he did not work hard. Here because joins these two sentences. He is very old. He enjoys good health. He enjoys good health though he is very old. I'll written do not go till then. Do not go until I return. The sun shines. Make hay now. Make hay while the sun shines. I missed the train. I walked fast. I missed the train although I walked fast. Now let's see correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are very easy to understand because they always exist in pairs. See these pair of correlative conjunctions. Both and, either or, so that, not only but also, neither nor. Some of the examples of correlative conjunctions are so that. It is so simple that even a child can understand. He is so old that he cannot stand firm. See how these pairs of conjunctions are used in the sentence. Not only but also. He was fined, he was imprisoned. He was not only fined but also imprisoned. Neither nor. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Either or. Either or is a pair which is used to express a choice. Either take it or leave it. Both and. We both loved and borrowed him. With this, I come to the end of this topic. I hope you have understood this topic clearly. Next time, I'll come with another interesting topic of grammar. Till then, take care. Be safe.